Well, this process starts with getting the blanket in place and the tools so that we can get under the RV without laying on the ground. So we have that where we need it. We have our tools. Okay. The next step is putting the controller in override mode. There's a little button in there. You push it 6 times, then you push it 1 more time and hold it. That puts it in override. So now I have to set up my phone to be able to control the slide from the app. And that's ready to go. Turn that over to Barb, and she will run the front motor from the app, and I will hand crank the motor in the back. Are you getting it in?
No, you go get the tool on.
Oh, okay. And I get into position under the RV. There we go.
You ready?
I am ready.
Okay.
Key to this process is kind of keeping them aligned, because if we get out of square, it will shut down the front motor. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm ready. So, simple as that. And now we're ready to go down the road to a new campsite and do it all again the other direction. Life on the road, it's great. So astute observers may notice that we're in a different place and that the slide is in rather than out. And that's because the video did not record for some reason. So now we're in a different place. And we're going to put the slide out with any kind of luck. Okay, are you ready down there?
6. Almost.
Okay.
All right, ready.
Ready when you are.
Okay, here goes.
And as you can tell, it's a lot of fun. You have to stay somewhat synchronized or that motor will stop. Are you out all the way?
No,
I'm...
it stopped.
All right.
Okay, here we go. I'm way out farther than you.
No, you're not, because I'm all the way out.
So am I.
Okay. So That's how it works.
You're not ready.
So, shit.
Just go.